So in the first attempt, I was just reading things, but I did not properly understand the demand of the exam. So first, I understood what are the demands of the exam. Say in prelims, it's not important to solve all 100 questions. You just need to clear the cutoff. For that, I made changes and I placed more emphasis on static than current. I used to analyze PYQs a lot. Like if you see my PYQ book, it is completely full of labeling, highlighting, and everything. So the kind of work that I did for prelims rewarded me well. I scored 30 marks above the cutoff in both the papers. So this is the difference when you put in lot of efforts and analysis. Apart from this, I also delineated life and exam. So in the first attempt, I was giving everything to the exam. There is no personal life, zero personal life, and zero interest in any other thing. But in the second attempt, I realized that some rejuvenation is needed for us. So when you do something in monotonic nature, there is loss of creativity, and creativity is also required for this exam, right? In mains, you have to be creative enough. For that, I used to explore other hobbies. I used to dedicate myself some me time so that I can do whatever I want. In this way, I try to avoid burnout. I try to inculcate creativity in any aspect of preparation. So these are some of the changes. And one important change is that I did not heed to all advices. Okay, so just remember, what works for you might not be working for some other person. Just be the captain of your own preparation. Just analyze what are your strength weakness areas and go ahead with that. Do not pay heed to lot of advices.